The Verizon Reset Network Settings Guide is a resource provided by Verizon to help users troubleshoot and resolve common network-related issues on their devices. It guides users through restoring default network configurations, addressing problems like slow data speeds, dropped calls, Wi-Fi instability, and 5G connectivity drops. The guide is available on Verizon's support website and mobile app and covers devices from iOS 18 Plus and Android 14 Plus. The Verizon Reset Network Settings Guide targets specific network components that can be causing connectivity issues. Let's break down exactly what gets reset. First, Wi-Fi settings are reset. This clears cached data that might be causing connection issues and forces the device to reestablish connections to wireless networks. Next, cellular data settings get reset. This restores default IP addresses and ensures the device properly reconnects to Verizon cellular towers for optimal data performance. Bluetooth configurations are also reset. This clears any paired device connections and restores default Bluetooth settings. Finally, VPN settings are reset. This clears virtual private network configurations and restores secure connection defaults. It's important to note that this network settings reset is completely different from a factory reset. It only affects network configurations and does not erase your personal data, apps, or files. Use the Verizon Reset Network Settings Guide when you experience common network problems that can disrupt your connectivity. One common issue is slow data speeds. If your internet feels sluggish or downloads take longer than usual, a network reset can help clear cached data and restore optimal performance. Another situation is dropped calls. If phone conversations frequently disconnect or you experience poor call quality, resetting network settings can re-establish stable connections to Verizon's towers. Inconsistent or unavailable Wi-Fi connections are also a key reason to use the guide. If your device can't connect to networks or the connection keeps dropping, a reset can resolve Wi-Fi configuration issues. Issues specifically related to 5G connectivity are increasingly common. Problems with 5G signals, such as drops or slow speeds, can often be fixed by resetting network settings. According to Verizon, 5G connectivity drops have increased by 15% due to expanded ultra-wideband spectrum usage, making the Reset Guide a valuable tool for resolving these modern network challenges. The process for resetting network settings varies slightly depending on your device type. For iOS devices running version 18 or higher, start by opening the Settings app. Tap General, then scroll down and select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings from the options. You'll need to enter your device passcode to confirm the action. After confirmation, your iPhone will reboot automatically, restoring default network configurations. Here's what the iOS reset screen looks like. For Android devices running version 14 or higher, the path is similar but may be found under Settings, then General Management or Connections. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Again, you'll need your device passcode. The device will reboot after the reset. Here's the Android reset screen for reference. The network speed often improves significantly after a reset, as seen in this dynamic display. Remember, the exact steps may vary slightly depending on your specific device model and Android version. Always back up important data before resetting. For Verizon routers like the Fios Quantum Gateway, access the admin portal by opening your web browser and entering the router's IP address. Log in using the admin credentials. You must have these credentials to proceed with any router settings changes. Once logged in, find the option to reset WAN/LAN settings in the router's configuration page. The Verizon Reset Network Settings Guide has been recently updated with advanced features. First, it now includes AI-powered troubleshooting steps that allow users to interact with Verizon's virtual assistant to diagnose network issues before performing manual resets. This intelligent approach helps identify the root cause of problems more accurately, potentially avoiding unnecessary resets. Additionally, the guide now supports Verizon's Quantum Secure Network Protocol, which enhances security against emerging cyber threats. This advanced protocol provides better protection during network resets and helps maintain secure connections in today's threat landscape. Looking ahead, the Verizon Reset Network Settings Guide is expected to become more automated with integrations into Verizon's AI-driven Smart Fix tool. This tool will use machine learning to analyze user data patterns and suggest resets only when necessary. Future versions may also include proactive alerts via app notifications to prevent issues before they require manual resets.